students, welcome to this video to get an overview of your essay outline. At this stage, you should have selected your topic in deciding who was the more effective speaker. Was it Dr. Martin Luther King or Malcolm X? And now you're going to start drafting your essay outline. In this document, you will see that there are highlighted sections, and these highlighted components lead you to the video links showing you how to construct each paragraph, such as the first one, the intro paragraph. This is hyperlinked, and a how-to video going over how you can start your essay with creative hooks, including quotes, rhetorical questions, or descriptive essay settings. So those are one of the few ways you can begin your essay, and then that leads into your background information. Here, you're going to explain who the two speakers are, Dr. Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, name their speeches, and just give small background information about them. Only 2 to 3 sentences are needed here. Your thesis comes last in your first body paragraph, and that is writing your claim on whose speech was better. Was it Dr. Martin Luther King or Malcolm X? And the 2 reasons why. Remember, using those rhetorical appeals based on ethos, logos, or pathos. In the second section, you also have a how-to video leading you how to compose a counter-argument. The counter-argument allows the reader to see that you've acknowledged the other side, the opponent, of why people won't believe that perhaps Martin Luther King's speech was more effective or Malcolm X's. Depending on which side you take, here you're creating a claim and acknowledging why one person may feel that the other speaker's speech is stronger or more effective. And then you're going to counter that back by giving evidence that supports this claim and explain why it's not correct. So walk yourself through this. As you fill out this outline, note that it should be in complete sentences, not bullet point, because once you're finished with each of these components, you'll see that you've pretty much written out your 5-paragraph essay. In total, you have 2 body paragraphs, 1 counterclaim, an intro paragraph, and a concluding paragraph that wraps it up. So as I scroll through these paragraphs, these sections, you'll see that you'll walk yourself through each section day by day. You will need to cite quotes from the speech, and then once you finish, you've pretty much completed your essay. Now I know this looks overwhelming at first, but it's a quite simple task because it's something that you've done before. I'll provide a few sample essays that you can take a look at. Here's one example. I'm not going to read through it, but you can take a moment to pause this video and examine how this student has outlined her essay. So that's example number 1. And here's another example, number 2. And remember, your arguments are rooted on one speech. Your body paragraphs focused on ethos, logos, and pathos, considering one counter argument. Again, if there are any questions, feel free to email me or type a message on Google Classroom, and I'll be happy to help. And this is the overview of the activity that you will be working on throughout the week. So please refer to the hyperlinks throughout this document.